My baby is here. You always show up whenever I want to film. You've not been here since, so eh? Yeah, come, stand up. Hello gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. Let's just dash to why we are here. I'm here to share with you guys all these gorgeous swimwear bikinis. Okay, you guys know it's summer, and summer we need bikinis. By the way, this video is sponsored by SHEIN. SHEIN, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. We always appreciate. Okay guys, without wasting time, let's dash into it. I'm not going to wear them as usual. You guys are used to do try on haul, but I just want to share them with you guys. If you want to see them on me, you have to go to TikTok, because I'm going to wear them to share on TikTok. So if you want to see how they look on me, you go to TikTok to check. Okay, this is the name of my TikTok. It's just Christophe. So just head to TikTok and check them out, how they look on me. But I'm going to put the pictures of website, how they look on the model on the website, so you can just with that pick the, but they are fire. This summer, if you love bikini, you're going to love them. And I have a discount code that you can use. Let me give you guys the discount code that you can use to purchase them. If you use this discount code, you're going to get some percentage off. The discount code is SWSET Chelsea Christophe. I'm saying it in French. Set. Sorry guys. Is a SW7 Chelsea Christophe 746. I will say it in French also. SW7 US Chelsea Christophe 746. In case if you're watching from France, you don't understand English, that is the code. I'm still going to leave it on the screen. So without that being said about this, I just want the video to be short. I don't want it too long. Just a way of just sharing all these things with you guys. So like I said, if you want to see how they look on me, you can go to TikTok or Instagram to see how they look on me, because I'm going to wear to share them there. All right guys, and don't forget to use that code. Don't forget to use this code here to get some percentage off. You guys know we love that, we like that. Okay, all right guys, let me share them with you guys. They are in here. Okay, yeah, and the name of the stores, sorry, let me give you guys, is three. The stores I got these things from, they are just three stores I got from Swim Sexy, Swim Oasis, and Swim Chiccia, something like that. All right, those are the names of the store. Just head to those stores and check. You're going to see a lot of swimwear that you're going to love, that you're going to like, really. Yeah, so all right guys, let's get into it. So the first one I'm going to bring out for you guys is this one. How they describe it is black. Okay, it has this detail here. Look at it on the model. So this is a 3-in-1. Okay, is it 3-in-1 or 2-in-1? Let me see. Okay, it's 2-in-1. It has a skirt. Yeah, this is a skirt, very long skirt with elastic here by the waist. It's so gorgeous. Okay, then here it has this gold detail, and this is it. Should I stand up? Maybe I should stand up to share them with you guys. All right, let me stand up. Okay, this is it. You can see it like this. Okay, let me come closer so that you guys can see the detail, like this one. Oh, I so much love this. And it has a skirt, okay, which is this skirt here. All right, this is the skirt. Moving on, I have another one here. Let's see this one. This one should be 3-in-1 or 2-in-1. Okay, just 2-in-1. It's 2-piece. It's 2-piece. See this, and this is the skirt. Okay, like I said, I'm going to wear them on TikTok, so you go to TikTok to check how they look on me. Okay, the skirt is really long, and this is the top. This is the top. Okay, it's so cute. I like it. So cute. These are the types of swimwear that I like. Like, you can just wear your bikini inside, then wear this. Then when you get to the beach or to the swimming pool, to the pool, you just remove this. But if you are the shy type, you can just keep this. Okay, you remove this and you swim with it. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Look at the detail. Can you guys see the detail? And the skirt, the material is light. Okay, so light, and that is what we want, because on a sunny day, yeah. All right, then the next one is this one. In short, I love the color. This one is 3-in-1. It's 3-piece. It has a small skirt. Okay, this is the skirt. Then it has a bra, bikini, right? These two, you can just decide to wear only these. Look at the detail here with this at the center. See this? You see this? Then like this. How is it like? Okay, it's like this. Okay, you wear it like this. Then it has a pant, and this is high waist. This is high waist. Okay, see, high waist. See it? I don't know why. Okay, this is it. You see the color? This pink, 3-in-1, 3-piece. Yeah. Then the next one, okay, it's even 4-in-1. Is it 4-in-1 or 3-in-1? It's 4-in-1. Sorry guys, I just saw this one. It's 4-in-1. This one is kind of a jacket. Yeah, it's a top on it. Okay, it's a top you wear on your bra, the bra part of it. Where is it? I'm coming. I'm confused. Let me drop these ones first and figure it out. Is this the side, the top? Okay, this is the top side. Okay, yeah, this is it. It has a top, a short skirt. See the skirt? Then these two, which is 4-in-1. It's 4-in-1. Okay, this one 4-in-1. Then the next one, which I so much like, I so much love this very one that I want to share with you guys now. This one is so beautiful. I like it. It's white. I like the color. I like everything about it. The details, dentelle, they call it in French. The lace. Oh, I so much see this. Okay, why I pick them like this? With this one, I can wear this pink inside. With the pants. Okay, I can wear this one inside this one with the pants. Okay, and it's so cute. So look at it. Look at this. And the skirt. The skirt is so long. See it? It's so long. The skirt is really long, and it has elastic. It has elastic. Okay, you see that? So beautiful. I really love it. This 2-in-1, I love this. This 2-piece is everything. Then the next one, is this lemon color. This is not the color I always wear, but I like it. For summer we need bright color. This one is 3-in-1. Okay, it has a jacket, form of a jacket. Okay, it's a form of a jacket. This one, it has some flowers like butterfly. Can you guys, okay, you see it like butterfly? Okay, oh, so beautiful. And it has it's even 4-in-1. Okay, it's 4-piece also. It's 4-piece. Okay, this one is just something to tie around your waist. Okay, yeah, this is a piece that you tie around your waist. And this is the pants, is high waist. And there's the bra. 4-in-1. 4-piece. 4-piece. And we love it. We love that. So the next one, which is going to be the last one, is just pants. Yeah, why I pick this thing like this, so I can interchange them. Okay, that is why I had to like pick them like this. I can decide to interchange it with this one, just wear inside here, then with the bra and the jacket or whatever. Okay, that is it. Look at it. Look at it. It's so long, so long, and it's giving that vibe. See, disco vibe. It's so beautiful when you wear this. Is it in the pool or at the beach? Everybody will be looking at you because it's so gorgeous. So guys, that is all I got for you guys. Like I said, the link to them will be on the description box. Okay, and also this discount code, don't hesitate to use it. Go to SHEIN. If you haven't downloaded SHEIN app, download it. They have so many gorgeous, they have so many beautiful stores there. So just go to these stores and check, and you're going to find so many beautiful things and affordable. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.